Installing KOHLER Hyten Elevated Quiet-Close toilet seats. For this installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Unthread the screw and fold the anchor. Push the folded anchor into the hole located at the back of the toilet bowl. Repeat these steps to install the other anchor. Confirm that the anchors unfold completely on the bottom side of the bowl. Remove the post covers and set them aside. Press the posts into the bottom of the seat hinge. Align the seat over the mounting holes. Confirm that the toilet seat is aligned with the front of the toilet bowl. Then rotate the posts as needed to align the mounting holes. Insert the screws through the mounting holes. Using a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws. While pressing the quick release button, lift the seat straight up. Press the post covers onto the posts. Reattach the seat by pressing firmly near the back hinges. For ease of cleaning, the toilet seat can be removed following the previous steps.